Here's how I start a new deck and apply an existing SlideMaster. Open PowerPoint, click New, and choose Blank Presentation. Always name and save the file right away. You can adjust the deck in the SlideMaster under the View tab. A SlideMaster tab appears, allowing you to change colors, fonts, and master layouts. First, I click the top master. Click Themes and then go to Browse for Themes. From there, you can navigate to the deck that you want to apply. I keep my company's template handy on my desktop so I can easily apply it to a new deck. For this example, I'll apply my doll template to show you how easily it updates your slides' fonts, colors, and layouts. Now you can close out of your master view and you can get started choosing your layouts. That's it, you're done. If you have presentation questions you need answered, I'm your girl. Leave them in the comments and please be sure to subscribe to my channel.